This is for those of you that say that your hair is not growing. Please, please try this mixture. Not only is it great and perfect for adding moisture into your hair, it also is jam-packed with vitamins and nutrients that help your hair grow. This mist is a favorite of mine. So if you want to see how I made it, let's jump right in. This one is very simple to make. All you'll need is rosemary. Rosemary increases blood flow to the scalp as well as blocking hair fall hormones. So this is great because not only does it help the hair grow, but it also stops hair shedding, which will help with thicker, more luscious hair. It also boosts shine, which is great. Next up would be Amla powder, aka Indian gooseberry. I love this stuff. If I could put it in everything, I would. It promotes hair growth, helps with volume, and it's high in vitamins, vitamin E and C. Would this be a natural hair video if we did not include cloves? So cloves, amazing, high in antioxidants, potassium, and omega-3, which essentially reduces inflammation and nourishes your hair. Also, it can act as a natural conditioner. I sell and make a coffee bean oil that has grown my hair tremendously. So of course I had to add coffee beans into this. It's acidic, so it helps balances the pH levels of your hair and your scalp. And the antioxidants in it promote hair growth and natural shine. Caffeine, as I'm sure we all know, also helps to prevent excess shedding. So if you have extra hair fall, especially postpartum, definitely give this mixture a try. Do you see what I'm saying when I say that this mixture has simple ingredients, but it packs a punch for the health of your hair? So once you have all those ingredients, all you have to do is boil it all together. And then once it's finished boiling, I leave it for maybe about 20 minutes. Once it cools down a bit, you add it to whatever spray bottle that you have handy. That's the way that I like to use it. It's very easy to apply this way and get it everywhere I need. And you are ready to use it. Very, very simple. This is a mixture that I use many different ways. So if I have extra after the initial day that I make it and use it, I store it in my fridge and it can go for as long as 2 weeks. I like to use this spray in the aftercare for my hair so that all the vitamins and nutrients that are in all of these ingredients are not being washed off of my hair, but instead staying on my hair. Here you can see my hair is extremely dry. This is a wash day. So after I'm finished in the shower washing my hair, that's when I love to use this mist. This mixture is also extremely moisturizing, and I love spraying it on after having washed everything out of my hair, including the natural oils on my hair shaft, because it really does give this soothing, smoothing, softening effect on my hair. Not only do I use this on my hair shaft so that I can get the shine that comes with products in there like rosemary, but I also use it on my scalp so that I can reap the benefits of rosemary that increases the blood flow to the scalp, or amla, the goose powder, which also promotes hair growth and also is high in vitamin E and C. But the cloves as well are high in antioxidants. It reduces inflammation and nourishes the hair and the scalp. So I want all of those to reach my scalp and to be able to do what it does for my hair in totality. So for me, it's very important to add some to my scalp as well as the length of my hair. And I just use this in every section. So for me, whenever I wash my hair, I wash it in 6 sections. Therefore, when I'm doing my after wash day routine, meaning conditioning, adding this mist, all of that, I do that in 6 sections as well. This mixture also, side note, smells amazing. The rosemary does bits, okay? It smells beautiful. Every time this mixture is incorporated into my hair routine, my hair feels amazing. Not only is there some shine, but that shine notwithstanding, the feeling of it feels different once you add this in there. Highly recommend it for those of you that have issues with your hair not growing because of all the vitamins in this, as well as the coffee beans that help with excess shedding. I think this would be perfect for you to give it a try. There's a lot of vitamins in there. Those that have excess shedding, give this a try as well. Ultimately, hair care starts from the inside out. So the most vitamins and nutrients that you can get on your hair, the better. But also you want to make sure that you're being as gentle with your hair as possible and manipulating it as little as possible. These steps that I'm showing you are just added steps to really help you maximize the hair growth. Extreme hair growth. That's what we're looking for here. But you have to do the basis of taking care of your hair. So if your hair is dry, brittle, breaking off, making you think it's not growing, try this. I also sell a hair growth oil. This oil is packed with, again, lots of essential oils. You know how I love the vitamins and the minerals, baby. Okay, so check that out. There's camphor oil in there, rosemary essential oil, cedarwood oil, thyme essential oil, coffee beans, peppermint oil, sweet almond oil, and the list goes on and on and on. So if you're looking for a hair growth oil, definitely click that link down below, give it a look, see all the ingredients in there, and see if it would work for you and your hair growth journey. I swear by this oil, use it all the time, and many of you guys love it, so thank you so much for all those that purchase and continue to purchase. I really do appreciate it, and I hope and I know that it's giving you the growth that you need. So that is it. That is all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check me out on TikTok as well as Instagram. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.